Hi guys, today is week 4 post ACL reconstruction surgery. So I wanted to share with you some more tricks and tips I kind of did this week, which I think helped me to push my knee slightly more this week. I saw my physiotherapist on Monday, and I think one of the best tricks she showed me, which really I think helped to release some of the tension within my knee, is to actually massage your leg, the whole leg. So I'm using a simple like massaging oil, and I actually really go over my whole leg. Massaging it really hard, so I think it pushes and moves all the fluids within your leg, help with the circulation, and I think getting the swelling down. And what else she did, I did suffer quite a bit of a swelling around my incision part, so she went over and over it, and I think it's important that you actually do that and focus on it, because it will help with production of collagen within your leg, and I think minimize obviously the scarring later on. So I think that's a useful thing to do. The other thing is, I think the back of my leg, I found it that it kind of still is a little bit more swollen. So although I don't see a lot of swelling around my leg, but I feel it, if I overdo, exercises, overdo it, I think it swells inside. So I think giving it a really good massage, and especially at the back as well, with your two palms, and massaging the back moves things around, so it really eases and helps with the swelling, reducing the swelling. So I think since Monday, since I've been doing that, it really helps. So the other thing is what you do, when you kind of lying on your back, with your leg up, put your two hands underneath your knee, and then try to actually so you then creating like a little of a support, and then you're pushing your leg down, and I think I kind of managed to get a really nice bend myself. So it is important that you actually try to to challenge yourself to your best ability. So that's what I started doing, and then stretching your leg straight, and then stretching the hamstrings in the back. So that's a good exercise. I still do the side leg raises, which strengthening the whole side of my leg. The other one, which is quite useful, to do. I started doing them recently, is to bend your leg and then push it up and up and up, and then rest and then do it again. I think this really nicely strengthens the whole back of your leg. And then the other exercise is you with a good leg support the back leg, and then push towards again, slightly challenging yourself. So I kind of did a bunch of those, and the other one quite useful to do as well. You exercise the inside of your leg, so I let on the back leg, and then raise it up. So I think by doing some of those exercises throughout the day and cooling it down, giving it a nice massage, I kind of, managed to get rid of my crutches, at least around the house. Outside the house, I kind of use one now, but maybe I won't need it any longer soon. I managed to actually walk up the stairs without any support as well, which is big progress. So it is important that you do challenge yourself. You actually bend your leg. So the other useful exercise, where you again push your leg a little bit harder, is to I keep using the towel because it really helps with things. So I actually push this leg with towel towards myself, where I can actually stretch it a little bit. So I use that towel a lot. And one of the other exercises, which I might try to show you when I actually lower it down a little, is to actually, so what I'm aiming for is to actually be able to raise the heel, which I'm doing with the good leg, up off the floor. And at the moment, I really can't do it with that leg. So what I started doing really is I'm kind of giving it a little bit of a support with the towel, raising it up, and then releasing the towel, and then trying to kind of stay in this position for a few seconds and then release it. And then I will do it again. I will raise it up, release the towel, and then keep it in that position so that the back of my leg is against the floor, and then release it. And I think that nicely exercises, and you see I can do it right now without the towel actually. So I'm bringing this leg into motion, or just remembering this movement. It really nicely, actually strengthens those muscles inside of your knee. So I think by keeping doing those regularly throughout the day really helps. So I'll update you next time. And now I'm going to call my knee again. So bye.